everyone, this is Carrie. She lives really close to my hometown, like 5 minutes away. Anyway, she is in Mona, I'm in Nephi. So I'm so happy that Carrie is letting me show you guys this cut. She wants it like, what's her name?
Jennifer Goodwin.
Thank you. I just forgot it, I just asked her again. Anyway, so thank you. So we are going to cut it like hers, and I'm really excited because we're gonna start with the number 4 clipper in the back. That's what I just did too, and it feels so good. If you want short and easy, just go for the number 4. Anyway, so number 4 here on the bottom. And then I'll take, you know, around her ear a little bit shorter. And obviously take that with the clippers around. And what's fun is with a cut like this, and I'm not going all the way up here like a guy, just to about here. Everybody thinks that when you do, not everybody, I shouldn't say that, but some people think when you use a clipper that, oh, it's a guy cut, masculine, whatever. It's so not. We are going to texture this and soften it up. And she doesn't use a lot of product. She just has it soft and kind of to the side, really cute. So I will show you guys that in a little bit, but I just wanted to clarify that we are going to make this really soft and super cute and easy, right? We're all about easy. Yes, exactly. Okay, so now the top, how much are you wanting off about? Probably just
what you need to. It's not,
Yep.
doesn't have to be a lot.
Yeah, texture's the main key here, guys. Okay, so we're just gonna come in, definitely point cut into this cut, okay? You don't want any harsh lines. When you hear like a haircut that's soft, you want lots and lots of texture and lots of different lengths. And then of course I'll go in and I'll blend all this in a minute. I just like to cut the top first and then we'll blend the sides. So you can see she's still gonna have some fullness through here, and then I'll just blend down here. So it's still full, but it's tight, so you don't have to deal with that. Okay, and then just texture up here. Yeah, this one is really fun cut. It's great Pixie for a soft look. She has a lot of hair. She definitely has a lot of hair, which is so nice for you, right?
Right.
So good. She has healthy hair too. Okay. Okay, now this front, I'm holding out front like this, just so there's a little bit of extra length on that front. So it's not, you know, cut up. So we have some length to kind of push to the side. So I hold this out front like that. Okay, now, and yes, she has a gorgeous face to have this cut also. Okay, I'm actually going to come around this way, you guys, sorry. So you can see how I'm gonna texture her bangs. And what I mean by that is I'm gonna take a little slice, I'm gonna move over some hair, take a little bit, move over, just so it's different lengths in there, okay? You don't want just a bang the same length. Sorry you have hair on your face. Okay. I always love to ask my clients to feel it after I cut it to see if it's short enough. I did that usually when it's wet or dry. So go ahead and try that one more time, see if that's,
Yeah, it's good.
does that feel right?
Yep.
Okay, perfect. Okay, so now, so there I say, so yeah, it's just me, just saying. Okay, I'm going to take the oil, Rejuvenate oil, and I'm gonna take 2 drops. Actually, I'm gonna do 3 for her. And then I'm just gonna rub this in and then just bring it through her hair. They want you, Gary.
Sorry.
You're fine. Hey, it's live. Everybody's phones are ringing, right? Okay, let me just see here. Okay, now what do you feel? Do you feel like you need your bangs more texture? Just kind of play with that and see. Sorry, can you see? I can lift you up a tiny bit.
Maybe just a tiny bit.
Okay, we're just gonna piece these out a little bit more so she has a little bit more movement here. My arm's in the way, I'll come this way, guys. There goes that hair on the face again. Poor Carrie. Okay, I think what we'll do also is take a little bit of clay to just piece out the front a little, just to show off that texture. And you can lift it up a little or whatever. You don't have to have it straight down, but she doesn't like it up and big. Does that feel better?
Mm-hmm.
Is that about right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna turn her around, you guys. Yay, Carrie looks so cute. I love it. Okay, everybody, thank you so much for watching. And Carrie, thank you for letting us videotape your sweetheart. And gorgeous cut on you, by the way.
Thank you.
And go ahead and go on my email list. I would love to have you sign up to get all my tips and tricks and my deals. So have a good day, you guys. See ya. Hi everyone, I am here with Helen. You have seen her video before, I'm sure, if you've watched. And she's, yes, super good friend. You guys know that if you've watched. If not, this is Helen. She's a super good friend. I've been cutting her hair for 22 years. We're a family friend. Our families are real tight and close. But the thing that I wanted to show on Helen is in between her haircuts. So it's been about 5 weeks. And what we do in between to get her hair to last longer before like a cut and her color is texturizing. Okay, so she'll just text me and say, hey, can I drop by for a little texture? So I wanted you guys to know that with this, you can texturize dry hair. A lot of people think it has to be wet. It doesn't. So what we do with Helen, this is why I wanted to do a short video on it, is because we can go in, dry hair, texturize it, and it's gonna get her through what, another month, probably at least, maybe 5 weeks. Anyway, so what you do, you obviously don't come in any parts, okay? And this can be for long hair too. If it's long, you wanna hold it up and bend it, and if where the hair bends, that's when you're gonna go in and texturize, where you're gonna go in, okay? So with Helen, she gets heavy, well, through all of it, because she has a lot of hair. It's really fine, but she has a lot of it. So I just make sure I'm away from the part, okay? And then I come in, I'm about a ½ inch up, and I shut it, open and shut, open and shut. So I go about 2 to 3 clips in, if that makes, or like this. So like 1, 2, 3. And I don't even really like to think about it. I just kind of come in and go for it. But I'm sure, like, just starting, you guys will want to maybe go in and like check where you're at and then do this. And that's totally fine. I mean, so like this, I come in. See how I'm doing that? And this helps her hair stand up. So if you think about it, there's little slices in between here, and so it cuts every other hair out. So there's going to be little hairs in these longer hairs, and that's what helps it stand up. A lot of people with thin, fine hair, they get nervous with texture, which is totally understandable. See, I just make sure I hold that hair, you know, out of the way. I'll show you this way. Just hold that out of the way and come this way. But honestly, it gets those little hairs in there and then it stands it up. Okay, so then you just comb the hair out. So she'll just drop by after work one night and this is what we do because it just saves it, doesn't it, Helen?
Yes, it does.
Okay, so you're just gonna, and there's also a link, if you guys want texturizing shears, down below there's a link that will help you find some if you want those. Okay, and then what I do is I kind of lift up here, and if it lifts, then you're good to go. If it's not lifting, you might want a little bit more. So right here it's kind of flopping, so I'm gonna do a little more here. Okay, so after I do that, then I just come through her front a little bit, because of course we don't want the front area bulky either. So I just come through this area, take a little bit out there, here. Okay. All right, and then I always have Helen kind of feel around. Does that feel like it's textured enough? Sometimes she can feel it. If it feels bulky in an area, she can tell me.
I think it's good.
Is that about right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Because see, if she can lift it and stuff,
I can
you know,
style.
yeah, yes, then you can style for sure. And then when we do her haircut wet, we usually do the razor. So I just wanted to show you that video and let you guys know that you can texturize on dry hair. So super easy, helps you get through until your next haircut, you know, and it gives you volume, so you don't feel like it's hanging. How can short hair hang? It just feels bulky, huh?
Yeah.
People's like, no, it's short, it won't hang, but it just
It
feels
does.
like blah, you know? So now that you have this, you can go like this and it will help stand up. So anyway, I hope this helps you guys. I hope it was a good tip. It's just fast and easy. So if you have any other questions, let me know and I'd love to help. You guys have a good day. See ya.